You're killing your kid?
I shot at him, dude.
Okay.
I didn't even know you had a kid in the car.
Notified. Thanks, bro. I'm so sorry.
November 14th, 2025. A regular Friday morning in Henderson, Nevada, a morning like any other. During that crowded morning commute, with tired drivers and heavy traffic all around, a moment of road rage began to unfold. But at the end of that moment was an innocent 11-year-old boy, sitting in the back seat on his way to school.
Did you guys see this?
Yeah,
Okay,
watch the whole thing.
hang tight.
So as I'm getting on, at Gibson is where I started seeing these two guys
cars
in and out,
yeah.
into lanes, into emergency, like all, I mean, they ended up doing this shit back and forth all the way to here, and then he comes around in the emergency lane, and literally, because this kid's trying to keep going.
Yeah.
And so he ends up turning and just kind of smashing
it. Because his right front.
Because they were really aggressive.
I've seen it, like we were saying, since back there before Gibson. So I was kind of watching through my rearview mirror. The whole thing kind of folded, like, folded. Yeah. Unfortunately, it got really bad, and I'm like, oh crap, they're really going at it. And then I see this guy like slip him, and then of course it was too late. Then he gets him.
And they're still coming up behind you as you saw the quickly in there.
Oh yeah.
And they hit your left side of your truck or the right side?
The right side.
Okay. But I really appreciate you guys' patience. I'm sorry that you're involved in this.
Yeah.
I feel really bad for that guy because I can't even imagine. I can't imagine
either.
I got 4 kids. So, if I understand right, this dude shot, then this guy chased him down and pitted him, correct? It kind of sounds like it, yeah. So I can.
Are you family?
This is my son.
Okay.
Brandon's mother Ruby arrived moments later, and desperate for answers.
But my baby's not here, right?
No.
You swear
He's
to
at
me.
UMC, I swear to God.
Is he alive still?
I don't know.
The man accused of firing the shot was 22-year-old Tyler Matthew Johns.
You're killing your kid?
Officer,
He's dead? Why?
I shot at him, bro.
You shot at him?
I didn't know I was fucking kid in the back.
Roll medical. I know you that.
He came up around the side, like on the merge, where what's the one that takes you north-south eastbound over there?
I gotta figure everything out.
Yeah, no, it's 100%
What happened?
I shot at him, dude.
Okay.
I didn't even know you had a kid in the car and stuff.
Alright, got an ambulance. Doctor in control. There's a kid shot in the back seat. Notify supervisors and stuff. Thanks, bro. I'm so sorry.
So little chance that the kid will be okay?
There's always a chance. I don't know. I've seen, after 20 years, I've seen kind of everything happen. So I won't say it's not possible. I won't say anything could happen. If you're a praying man, I would be praying a lot for him right now.
Good morning. Working for world region does not give you a right to shoot at anybody, even if you didn't see a child in the back. It does not give you a right to shoot at a person just because you don't want them to pass your name. After this, my son's life was taken away, whether regardless you saw him or not. He took my son away. He was just trying to make it to school. Nobody should go through what I'm going through, and my son is never gonna come back. Nobody else deserves to go through what I'm going through.
In the preliminary hearing, the court heard from those who saw the events unfold. First to testify was LVMPD officer Luke Doty, the first officer on scene, who described what he encountered on arrival. Eyewitness Russell Cleesa told the court he saw both vehicles fighting for position moments before the shot. Then Doyle Miller took the stand, describing how the suspect cut him off and drove aggressively seconds before the gunfire. Brandon's stepfather, Valente Ayala, faced the defendant and testified that the other driver pulled alongside their SUV, already pointing a gun when the shot rang out. After reviewing the testimony, the judge ruled there was sufficient probable cause for the case to move forward.
I just want to remind everybody that we lost a life today that we didn't have to lose. An 11-year-old was on his way to school. We have an obligation to look out for each other. The holidays are coming up, and we usually have congestion and tempers run high. It is not worth it to engage in this type of behavior on either party.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.